Today we want to learn the alphabets in Ga. Ga is a Ghanaian language spoken by the people of Accra, Ghana. Let's start. A, A, B, B, D, D, E, 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 G, G, I, I, J, J, K, K, O, O, M, 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 O, 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 P, P, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, Y, Y, Z, Z. So that's the alphabets in Ga, the Gan language. A quick recap, and I hope you're able to follow and learn the alphabets on your own using this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you see, why don't you give us a thumbs up so we can keep doing it better for you and keep improving it. Please subscribe. Thank you.